Welcome back, peeps, to the Tom's Odyssey channel. I've got a few things I need to talk to you about, so let's just go through that. Now, it's been a while since I've seen all of you, but I promised you guys I was going to do a 10K giveaway, which we are going to do, so stick with me till the end to know how you can win. But first and for all, let me just tell a bit what's going on. I've been really busy setting up a new business, which I cannot tell you about just yet, but it is something about content creation. So I just wanted to ask you guys if it's something that you would want to see be vlogged about or not. Just let me know in a poll, which is somewhere here on the top. I don't know how these cards things goes, but just let me know if it's something that you would find interesting to see a little bit more about, behind the scenes, stuff like that. Which also brings us to the next part, is where this channel is going this year. Last year I've been working my ass off to just show you guys a lot of stuff, and which taught me a lot to do with content creation, how to be a content creator, how to be a YouTuber, how to be an influencer. Oh god, I really hate that word. Anyway, I just learned a ton of stuff and I want to give it back to you guys. So I'm gathering a lot of knowledge around me, I'm gathering a lot of people, so we're gonna do really awesome stuff this year. Stay tuned for that. So now the thing that you actually have been waiting on, because I've been blobbing a lot and you probably skipped through to this part, is the giveaway. But I'm just gonna let Kat from Gnarbox just tell you guys what we're up to. So let's hear what she has to say.
Hey guys, Kat from Gnarbox here. Really stoked to be giving away a Gnarbox. Congrats to you, Tom. We're so happy to have been working with you this past year, and we're really stoked to continue working with you in 2018.
So guys, that's it. We're going to do a giveaway of the Gnarbox itself. It's so dope. I'm really stoked about this. I've been so glad to be working with this company. I have been so glad to be using this thing that I really wanted you guys to have the chance to win one for yourself. So here's the deal. These are going to be the ground rules. Make sure you subscribe to the Tom's Odyssey channel. Make sure you are subscribed to Gnarbox channel. Then also follow us both, so Gnarbox and Tom's Odyssey, on Instagram, because that is where we are going to announce the winner. And for the real insiders, members of Team Odyssey, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit more special. I'm gonna be giving away it's not working. I'm gonna be giving away 3 of these t-shirts, limited edition Tom's Odyssey merch. So if you think these are cool, there's also a link down in the description below to join Team Odyssey on the Facebook group. I get to know a little bit more about you, you guys get to know a little bit more about me. We share our content, we grow together. That's the part, and that's the reason behind Team's Odyssey. So if you want to join that as well, everything, all the stuff that you need to know, link down below in the description. I'm gonna be announcing the winner on the Instagram, so make sure to check that out. I will be hitting you up 1 week from now. One lucky winner will be going away with an awesome Gnarbox directly from the peeps from Gnarbox. Guys, also you guys, Tim, Kat, Will, everyone from the team, thanks so much for doing this with me. I am so stoked about what this year is going to be. That's enough talking, guys. I will see you in the next one. Just check all of this out, okay? Stay creative and inspire yourself. Whoop!